This is a movie, and can you tell the camera what your name is?
I'm Eden.
Okay, Eden, how old are you?
10 hours.
Oh, 2 years old. All right, Eden. So, what are you doing today?
I'm standing.
You standing? Were you standing in the rain? Yeah? Show me. Show me where the rain is. Tell the camera where the rain is. Are you wet? What's that on your head? You're daydreaming, aren't you?
What your name is?
Huh?
Your name.
What's your mommy's name? Tell the camera what's your mommy's name. What's your mommy's name? Huh? Hello? Look this way, the camera. What's mommy's name? No, that's your full name. But what's your mommy's name? Silly, that's your name. What's daddy's name?
Daddy's name is Duck.
Right. And now what's mommy's name?
Camille.
Right. Camille. Good.
Camille.
What's your sister's name? Very good. You remember. What's your brother's names? Very good, Eden. I didn't think you would remember that. You got a good memory. Now what you doing?
Oh no.
What happened?
Please.
Sure. Not the camera. Your hands are wet. No wet hands on the camera. No wet boys on the camera.
Not wet. Not wet.
Feels wet to me.
Not wet. Not wet. Not wet.
Yep, still wet.
Not wet.
And Eden, can you sing patty cake for the camera?
Patty cake. Very good, ma'am. Take me a big at the bat you can. Alright. And patty. Back with the E. And put it in an outdoor. Eden and me.
Yay! Take a bow. Very good. Now say bye, camera.
Bye, camera.